wants chicken pot pie. No, but seriously, let's talk night routine. I am making it a goal to get a better night routine so that I can have a better morning routine. I'm such a morning person, but I go to bed too late, and let's just be real, it's not good for the morning. So we're starting the night routine, starting by making dinner, making one of my favorite things ever, which is a chicken pot pie. It's definitely one of my favorite things to have in the winter. It's just so warm and like comforting, and it literally is incredible. As always, I'm just using a Pinterest recipe, so I will link it if you're interested. I cut up all my veggies in this veggie chopper. Seriously, if you don't have one, you need to get one. It makes life so much easier and seriously saves so much time. So I have an onion, celery, and carrots in here. I am so excited for this. The pan is kind of too heavy to lift up. That's why I'm scooping it. I'll lift it up towards the end, but I just want to do this for the initial part. My pans are from Caraway, by the way. They are really nice. Very non-stick. They're also non-toxic, and I love the green color. I'm not the best at pinching the ends in. I kind of just do it sloppily, but as long as it's sealed and tastes good, that's what really matters. And an egg wash. It'd be fun to have some nice coarse salt over the top, but I don't have any. That's okay. Oven is at 425. Alexa, set a 30-minute timer. 30 minutes, starting now. It looks good, it looks good. It actually looks perfect. The bottom looks good too. Look at the steam. It's like after 6:30 and I am totally like a 5:30 dinner girl. I just didn't start making this till far too late. It definitely gets a little melty. I probably didn't let it cool long enough, but like, who can wait? Bon appetit. I never make the pie crust because that's just like a whole nother battle. I just buy the pre-made stuff because it's so good. Seriously, one of my favorite meals. I love a good post-meal walk. It just makes everything feel better, especially after something like big and yummy and filling like a chicken pot pie. However, it is 28 degrees out, so I'm layering up, and it probably won't be the longest walk ever, which is okay. Even a short walk is beneficial, but also Duncan needs some exercise. And obviously it's dark out because it's literally like 7 o'clock, but don't worry, we have lights. We have a light on his harness, both of us have lights. We're also going on the walk together. I would never go out right now in the dark, even with lights, and walk him by myself because I'd be way too scared. Don't worry, it's me, boy, and Dunk. Look, I'm even wearing my Uggs because I want my toesies to stay warm. Do you wanna go for a walk? It's time for someone's advent calendar. Come here, you wanna sniff? Ooh. Set? They look like little Cheetos, little dog Cheetos. Wait, get it? Oh, let's do a trick for this one. Sit, wait, protect. Oh, is that a good boy? Lay down. Good boy. You can get it. I have such big sweet tooth. Like after dinner, I always just want like a little something sweet. And I love the Ninja Creamy, especially because it's like healthier ice cream, you know? But I am not hungry enough for that right now. However, the other day, I made these little bars. It's just banana, oats, peanut butter, honey, and chocolate chips. Just a little something. Lately after dinner, I will bust out the walking pad and get more work done. I just have a lot of computer work because of Vlogmas and stuff. It's just how it works, right? Like I'm editing every day, so I've been making a lot of good use out of this walking pad, which is really nice. And because it's so darn cold outside, so it really has been a good way for me to get in steps. It's almost 8 o'clock, which is unfortunate. I really wish it was like 6. Honestly, like I just have a lot that I want to get done still, but the night is no longer young. So I think I'm gonna be on here for like just a half an hour, and then we got like the whole routine to do tonight. I wanna wash the hair, I wanna do all the stuff. So I need to cut myself off because I can't get up early and have a good morning if I stay up too late tonight. So I need to make myself go to bed. Yeah, when I said cut myself off at a half an hour, I clearly lied. And I could edit for like another hour or two. But I gotta cut myself off and get ready for bed. let's get into it, shall we? Oftentimes on hair wash day, I will do a hair oil, but that just wasn't the case today. I'll run it through my roots, douse the ends, and do like a whole slicked moment, you know? On days where I go all out, you know, the whole everything shower, before I even get in the shower, I like to dry brush. I wish I did this more often, but essentially it's just this like little brush meant for your body, and you're supposed to just literally brush up like towards your heart. So you'd go like up your legs, even like up your stomach and your chest and your arms. Like it's just good for exfoliation. I think it's supposed to help with like drainage and cellulite, but honestly I don't think I'm ever gonna get rid of my cellulite, so I don't really have hopes for that, but I know this is a great thing to do. And especially in the colder months, of course. I just have so much like dry, dead skin. I want it off, and I want to do whatever I can to help it. I haven't self-tanned in so long. I am ghostly, and compared to my face, because I have makeup on, even worse. Okay, but however, how I like to take my makeup off, because I just do it right in the shower. I love this. It is the Elemis Pro Cleansing Balm. I use this all over my face. It looks like that. It's just a really nice like creamy texture. And then for my eyes, I love these from Makeup Eraser. If you haven't heard of them or seen them, you need to get them. They're so good for travel. They're good for just everyday use, but it's literally this little piece of fabric that takes your makeup off just with water. Like you don't have to use any product, no like micellar water, no makeup remover, nothing. Just the texture of this takes your makeup right off. It's amazing. Like it's literally magic. And you can use them for like years. They're good for the environment. They save you money. So I like to use both of these though. And into the shower, first I will shampoo. Right now I'm using this Amika Hydro Rush shampoo. I love to take this like silicone brush thing and exfoliate, distribute it all, get all the product out from the week. After that I will go in with my purple shampoo. This is by Bold Unique, right off of Amazon. I really love it. I will just distribute it all over my hair and I'll let it sit for about 3 minutes. It does dry out your hair a little bit, but while it's sitting I like to take off my makeup and then wash my face. I've been using this Neutrogena Acne Control Cleanser because my skin has been terrible. And the ingredients in this are good for my face. And okay, this little hack, I like to use my gua sha in the shower because not only does it glide smooth, but I'll like re-wash and rinse off my face after I gua sha, so then I'm not worried about like anything getting dirty and staying on my face, whatever. Then I'll use that same Amika conditioner. If I'm not using those, I really like Redken as well. And then I have a bunch of Tree Hut peppermint scented, candy cane flavored products I like for the holidays. So first we will wash the body with this candy cane body wash, and then I will exfoliate with the Tree Hut scrub. They have the best scrubs. And then you're ready to shave with your favorite razor and shaving cream. Something, I swear, that is life-changing. A bath sheet. This isn't just your average towel. It is giant. It is a bath sheet. And it just makes things feel way more luxurious, especially your everything showers. Something I didn't use but is super, super great if you struggle with body acne. It's this KP Bump Eraser by First Aid Beauty. I love First Aid Beauty. I don't typically get like regular body acne very often, but sometimes I do get like folliculitis on my butt cheeks. To be totally transparent here, and it doesn't mean you're dirty or gross or like infected or anything. It's literally just your skin like doesn't like the friction, you're wearing leggings too often, tight pants too often, whatever. This is super, super great for them. It's a really good scrub. I just love it. It is on the pricier side, but I swear it clears that stuff up so fast. I was totally thinking I was gonna self-tan tonight, but I'm gonna wait till closer to the weekend. However, my all-time favorite self-tanning mousse, which I actually don't have right now, is Coco and Eve. So good. Such a good color, such a good smell, long-lasting, not streaky. Like, it is the best #1 self-tanner I have ever tried, and I've tried tons. Second place, Tanologist, but it's not their mousse. I don't like their mousse, actually. Their clear mousse, it freaks me out. This is a tan water. Sounds weird, but it's a spray. It's literally so easy, like way easier to apply than a mousse. I just feel like this doesn't get as dark as the Coco and Eve. I don't know, it depends what mood I'm in, but you literally spray it and then you just take a mitt and rub it in. It is seriously so good. And I think Tanologist is pretty affordable too. However, I have been using this for my face, just mixing this in with moisturizer, and this is really nice. It looks really natural. I like to do my skincare while my hair is up in this thing. It's supposed to be like a good like microfiber fabric or something, you know, good for your hair, gentle on it, because then my hair is out of the way. First we have the Paula's Choice Liquid Exfoliant. I love this stuff so much. So good for texture. I used to be so good at using it every single night, but I haven't the past few months months, and I wonder if that's why I am getting these patches. I don't know, my skin is freaking out. It could be a lot of things. I could also just be like stressed, you know, like it is Vlogmas, and this is not a complaint. I seriously like love my job. I love this stuff so much, but it is a lot, right? It's time consuming. I'm not gonna knock that, you know, so I'm doing stuff like constantly, and it might just be making me break out, right? That's just how it is. Again, I am eternally grateful. Like, I never want you to think otherwise, because that's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying it's time consuming. That's all. It's a lot, but you know what? Also, I chose to do it. I didn't have to do this if I didn't want to. And I've been getting the nicest comments, which mean the world to me, so you know what? It's worth it. And I'm learning from you. I get lots of tips and stuff, so it's like, I'm getting a ton of value out of this also. This Lancome serum is so nice. Hyaluronic acid is a necessity for me morning and night, for sure. A brightening eye cream by First Aid Beauty. Again, if I could pick one skincare brand, First Aid Beauty all the way. Of course, the Ultra Repair Cream. I don't have the big tub right now, I just have this little travel size, but we're using it. This is the first product I ever used. This is what got me hooked. I was looking for a good moisturizer for dry skin, and I was watching a video by Hiram, Skincare by Hiram, and he recommended First Aid Beauty. Their ingredients seemed great. I just like loved the brand, and so I went to Ulta in store. I picked one up. It was the most expensive moisturizer I've ever bought at that time. It was like $32, $34. I think it's $36 now because, you know, inflation. But I loved it. Like, it's thick, and some people don't like that, but I like it. It's like thick, it smells good, and there's not fragrance, but it just, like, I just like the smell of it. It's like comforting to me, but fresh at the same time. I'm getting my hair done next week, and I don't know if I can tell you how excited I am. I always go in with the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. My hairstylist actually loves this stuff and swears by it. It is a little bit pricier, but it's a really awesome product. And I actually got it on sale just at Target on Black Friday. I was really happy about that. But last time I went to her was August, and at that point I had no idea my moving plans, but I scheduled an appointment right before Christmas. Number one, for it to be around the holidays, but number two, I was like, girlfriend, this might be the last time I see you for a while. And that is gonna be scary. Finding someone else to trust with my hair, and like whenever I'm home visiting and stuff, I'll try to plan ahead and make appointments with her. But like, I trust her with my life. Like, I do not want to find someone new. She's amazing. And a little argan oil just for the ends. I am so out of heat protectant though. I'd put some in my hair right now because I am probably gonna end up blow drying some of this, and I don't have any, so that sucks. Of course, we have to stay on theme with the whole candy cane peppermint scent. This is again by Tree Hut. It is a whipped body butter. I love these things, especially for this time of year. Nothing is better than when you have clean, exfoliated, smooth skin and you go over it with a thick, nourishing body butter and one that smells good. I don't always buy scented products, but I went all out for this holiday season just because why not? Just a little way of like romanticizing and like trying to make the challenges of really dry skin a little bit more fun and easy. Seriously, I feel like my skin hurts if I'm lacking on the moisturization. I have one of these sunrise alarm clocks, and I like to turn the red light on at night. The regular lights in the closet are still on, that's why it's not dark in here, but in a bit. Some people swear by taking magnesium before bed. I only do sometimes. Don't forget you can get magnesium through food. You know, like spinach, for example, has magnesium in it, but it's something that's supposed to be good to help like calm you down and stuff. I'm not recommending this, you know, talk to your doctor. I don't know what I'm talking about. I just have these chewables from Target, and I take them sometimes when I'm like, you know what, maybe tonight I could use the help chilling out a bit. It's not like a sleep vitamin or anything like that. Like, there's no melatonin, it doesn't make you go to sleep. But it's supposed to help with like anxiety and like help you chill out. There's also no like CBD or anything. When I say chill out, that's not what I mean. But we must refill this. If I don't go to bed with a full water bottle, I don't know. I'm worried I'm gonna like wake up in the middle of the night and what would happen? Literally nothing, but like I need to go to bed with a full water bottle. I do like to scan the kitchen because basically the first thing I do is come in here and like get water and like start my drink lineup and whatever, and clean counters make me very happy. There's a couple things out, like there's some pans that need to be taken care of, some stuff needs to be washed. Like, I'm not doing that right now, it's fine. Things are picked up enough. I must come check out my mess of a to-do list. When I say mess, I mean mess. This is crazy. This is from the past few days. There's stuff crossed out, there's like stuff rewritten, whatever. That's just the reality. I don't start every day with like a fresh new sheet and a pretty journal, like, because a lot of this stuff has been repurposed and edited, whatever, and I just need to know if I need to offload anything in my brain and add to it right now before I go to bed, because if I get and lay in that bed with a million thoughts racing around, I'm not gonna be able to go to bed until I put the thoughts somewhere. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. This has everything from like work to my car insurance, I need to call them, and just random stuff. I'm proud of myself. I've been consistently flossing at night for months now because these little things, they just make it so easy. My dentist is gonna love me the next time I see him. Something I want to start doing. I've been seeing this product all over the internet for the past months, and I actually own it. I owned it before I saw all this stuff. Apparently, if you put this, it's the Ordinary Glycolic Acid Toning Solution. Pretty affordable. If you put it on a cotton pad, there are so many uses for it. The first one I can think of is, I think if you rub it over your armpits, I think like long term it can help with, for sure, body odor, but I don't know about sweating. But I think there are a lot of good long-term benefits. I wouldn't do this if I applied self-tanner tonight, that's for sure. I feel like it would remove it. But it can help with like dry and cracked feet. It can help with so many things. I'll link it. I'll link all the products I mentioned, of course. But this stuff seems pretty magical. On an everything shower day especially, I really like to go in with a nice facial oil. I love how this one smells. Again, I don't know if it's fragranced. Like, I don't know if there's any scent specifically in it or if I just like the smell of the products. Because when I say I like how it smells, it's not like it's floral or it's citrusy. Like, it just smells like ingredients. I don't know. But what I like to use, I'm actually gonna take this in bed with me. It's a little device. You turn it on. I don't know if you'd be able to hear it, but it vibrates. It has a neutral setting you use first. After 3 minutes, it automatically switches to the next one, which is a blue light and a cold setting. Then it automatically switches to the third, which is a red light and a hot setting. So I like to just get in bed with this, chill out, and just like run it across my face. And then I just like set it away when I'm done with it and go to bed. Bedtime Aquaphor. For sure. I'm also really trying to work on my nails, and especially in the winter, I feel like my cuticles crack so much. So I'm trying to make this a habit at night, is to put cuticle oil on. It takes like 5 seconds. I just have to remember to do it because like you can do it sloppy. It's not like it has to be perfect, but I'm really trying to take care of my nails because when I have good nails, I just feel put together. I feel confident and I like it. Look at how greasy I look, but that's how I like it. I literally was like setting up to go to bed. My hair's still wet. Like, what am I doing? It doesn't need much, but it's not dry. I like to dry my hair upside down because in my head, it will give me more volume if I'm like drying it this way. Okay, there we go. I also, since I've been working out earlier in the day, I've been trying to get my clothes ready for the morning. Not that I have to like pack a gym bag or anything. I'm literally just going downstairs, but it's just a good reminder to see when I wake up. So that's another thing. I'm like about to go to bed. All of a sudden I realize all these things I still have to do. That shows you how organized this whole night routine is. It's not. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. There, we have leggings and a sports bra picked out. And some socks. My shoes are right there. I kind of feel like I fall apart at night. Like, my nights are just so unorganized, and so me trying to do like a night routine, this is real life. I'm all over the place, and I'm working on it. I have a goal of getting a better night routine so that my mornings can be smoother, whatever. I have a game plan for tomorrow. Everything else should be set. I think we're good.